Hey guys, welcome back. So it's me Rajan Sharma, and guys, in my previous tutorial we have successfully unblocked user. Okay, so guys, in this lecture what exactly we will do is I have already done the coding part just for saving the time. So after that, in this tutorial what we will do, we will simply retrieve the list of the users who we have reported, okay, in admin application. And after that retrieving operation, we will simply view their profile in admin application. Okay, so in this video I will show you that how can we perform this. So I have already done the coding part because it's been 94 tutorials I have done on social media application. Okay, and with these 93 tutorials, I am showing you how to retrieve data, delete, update, and everything related with Firebase, Firestore, real-time database. Okay, update, delete, CRUD operations. Okay, so that is why if you are a viewer and you are watching this playlist from the very first video, then you will definitely know how to retrieve data from Firestore or Firebase database. Fine. So now we have data, and for retrieving that, what we have to do, you can see that. And first of all, this is our app show users.java social media application. So here, when we were reporting some users, so we have left the three options for reporting, and that is for the report functionalities. And in that report sheet, we left three options. So we will handle it in this tutorial. Okay, guys. So for that, you can see that this is our applications activity show user.java. Okay, so guys, here you can see that we left these three options, me. So it is a condition that if you will report someone and their account, the reason is that it is pretending to be someone else. Okay, so we have three options, me, someone I know, or celebrity. So we left these three options. So in this, what you have to do, you just have to copy this previous, just copy this part. Okay, and after that you have to paste it here inside this condition, and you just have to increase one more child of, and you just have to save report class dot set type current UID. Okay, so after that, here you can see that to just ignore the background noise. Okay, so that is the second condition, that someone I know. So you have to write that pretending to be someone I know. Okay, and then again give set type current user ID, because by doing this set type current user ID, what we can achieve is that when we will retrieve the data in admin application and we want to just over we want to check that is the submission is wrong or right, so we can handle the further operations by this current user ID. That's why. And then you have to do the same thing with this third celebrity one. Okay, so now we are saving data in real-time database. Fine. So now we have to retrieve it somewhere, so we can check that is it right, is it okay, or the submission is wrong. Fine. So for in that condition here, we have to open our admin application that we have created for the social media. Okay, so here we have simply as I said that I already done the coding part. So I will show you that we have created the first one, main activity. Okay, so and main activity XML part. Okay, so guys, first of all, here we will use a very basic text view, and you can see that we have this text view. Okay, and here its name is open report users, and then here we have the ID. Okay, so you just have to use the text view like that, and you can write the code by pausing the video after I will finish the live, not now. Okay, now watch this video. And then after that, it is a Java part, so where you have to implement simply intent. You can see that we will use the intent. So when you will click on that text view, so we will go on this report user activity, and for that you have to create an activity of report users. Now you know how to create activity, so just create it. Okay, so now when you created the report users activity, so that is report users activity, and now you report users item file. So after that, guys, you have to create item file for the recycler view. So you can see that it is our item file, and it is not very complicated. We are just simply using very basic item image view and text view for name and a text view for viewing that user's profile. Fine. And now I will show you the XML code. You can see that you can pause the video and you can write the codes. Okay, or you can join membership for it. Now activity main. So now it's time for this report users XML part. So here we are simply using a text view for informing user that it is activity where we will show reported users. Okay, and then we are using a very basic recycler view. See, and it has just a margin 3dp. Nothing is very complicated, just quite easy steps. Just follow me. Okay, so after that you just have to use this text view and this recycler view. And after that, guys, here we will simply coding Java part of report users. And before that, guys, you have to create a report view holder class. So we are just doing that part in this report vh class. Already we have created in previous tutorials. I'm not creating any separate class for that, because we can, if we can do it in this class, then why creating another one? Okay, so just for saving time, so here you have to create a method like that. Okay, and you can see set report users, and we have these parameters. And for this I have created this another report class too. And here we have only four strings: name, uid, user, issue. And then you have to create an empty constructor for real-time database. And then after that you just have to click on alt plus insert, and then after that you can have all the getter and setter methods. Okay, so for after that, after creating this report class and this view holder part, let's work on this Java part. So here we are simply using recycler view, database reference, and Firebase database instance. Okay, and here I have given the reference, okay, of all of them. And now here we are using the Firebase recycler options. So this is how we are retrieving the data. Okay, so for that, you just have to use add the dependency of Firebase database UI dependency for retrieving data. So you will get all the features of this option in Firebase Recycler adapter, and retrieving data from Firebase will be easy. Okay. And then after that, guys, here you can see that we are implementing set on click listener on this issue.ru, because in this you can see that our issue is the second text view that we used for you can see that it is a view profile. Its id is view.ru. And in this report vh, we are simply giving view.ru. So when user will, and you can see the text that view profile. So when the admin wants to see the profile of that user, so they will simply click on this text view, and then this text view will take that user to the activity. So the activity name is show profile. Okay, so now we will work with this show profile. So let me close these tabs. And yeah, now it's time for show profile. So first of all I will open show profile xml part and then Java. So first of all we will see xml. So guys, here what exactly we are doing, we are just simply retrieving the data from firestore database. Okay, nothing is very complicated. The first one is image view, and then we have five text views for name, website, email, bio, profession, whatever you have to retrieve. Okay, now after that it is a xml code. You can see that I'm not doing anything very tricky or something that you will not understand. So this is the xml part. Then after that you just have to open this Java part. And then after that Java part, here we have the document reference Firebase Firestore. Okay, now image view. And then simply the reference for all the childs. And then here we are simply getting the data that we are sending from our report users activity. So here you can see that when user will click on that, so with that intent we are passing an parameter, and its name is uid, and the value is uid, and name is u. Okay, so here in this activity we are retrieving it. See that get string, and the value is u. And then after that you have to give the reference like that, so we can retrieve the data from firestore. And here we are retrieving that data. And here we are setting that data in the text views and image view. So that is the all thing that you have to do for this tutorial. Okay, and after that what we will do, we will simply perform some other operations like removing that user account or blocking that user account. So we will handle these things in upcoming tutorials. Please if you like this videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And for the source code, join membership. Thank you for watching.